Hi, we're excited to give you a sneak peek of a new plugin we're working on that converts Figma variables into Tailwind code. If you've ever worked with Figma variables, you know how tricky it can be to hand them over to developers. For example, let's say I'm a designer who needs to update some brand color and font families. You'll see that every change I make to my variables is automatically logged in the changelog. I can then easily preview the changes, and when I push them to the project, the data is updated so that everyone in the same Figma project sees the same dashboard I'm working on. Now let's export. With a single click, the plugin converts your Figma variables and text styles into a few CSS and Tailwind files that match your project theme. All you have to do is send the code to the developer along with the changelog, so they can easily track any class name changes. From there, the developer simply dumps the file into their project and can instantly preview the updates. Et voila! You'll notice that the theme is properly installed without any intervention from the developer. And the dark and light modes are working perfectly. Great. We're just finalizing the last details, so feel free to send us any suggestion. And stay tuned, the release is just a few weeks away.